How to create or open OVO account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.ovoenergy.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of OVO Energy. Here, tap on the account option on the top right of your screen. You will now be led to the login portal of OVO Energy. So, if you already have an account, enter your email ID or your OVO ID and then enter your password and then press the login button to log yourself in. And if you want to create a new account, tap on the Set Up Account option you see there. You will then be asked to enter your email address. So go ahead and enter your email address and then re-enter your email address and tap on the Submit button. You will then receive an email in the email address you just entered. So go ahead and open your mailbox and then open the email from OVO Energy. You will see the I will do that now button. Tap on that. Now go ahead and fill up the form shown to you. Start by entering your first name, last name, postcode, date of birth, and your OVO account number, and further, tap on the Submit button, and with this, your account will be successfully created on OVO. So, this is how you can create or open OVO account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.